Turkey. Sydney. Careful your fingers. Sid. Come here. Should we go? Come on, let's go. Whoa, good save. Good save. Oh, good for you. Oh, your shoes on. We're actually going to go, aren't we? You're going to go sit on the step? Oh, where do we sit to put our shoes on? Where do we sit to put our shoes on? Where do we put our shoes on? On your bum? Can you wave hi? Oh, okay. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.